Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you all. There's a hot new app that's taking Instagram by storm. It's called New Threads. And we're here to give you the lowdown on what it's all about. So, let's dive right in. New Threads is the latest innovation in the world of Instagram. It's an app that brings a fresh and dynamic twist to your Instagram experience, with its sleek design and powerful features. New Threads is here to revolutionize how we connect and engage on this popular social media platform. One of the standout features of New Threads is its Threads functionality. With Threads, you can easily create and participate in group conversations based on your interests. Say goodbye to cluttered DMs and disjointed group chats. New Threads allows you to bring together like-minded individuals in one place, making it easier than ever to connect and share your passions. Let me show you how it works. Once you download the New Threads app and link it to your Instagram account, you can create your own threads or join existing ones, whether you're into fashion, gaming, fitness, or any other topic. There's a thread for you. It's a fantastic way to meet new people, exchange ideas, and build a community around your interests. But that's not all. New Threads goes beyond just group conversations. It also offers a range of other features that enhance your Instagram experience. From personalized recommendations based on your interests to a seamless integration with Instagram Stories, this app has it all. You can share photos, videos, and even collaborate on projects with your Threads members, all within the New Threads app. So, why should you give New Threads a try? Well, it's all about building meaningful connections. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to network, a creative seeking inspiration, or simply someone who wants to connect with like-minded individuals, New Threads provides a platform where you can thrive. It's a place where you can foster authentic relationships and engage in conversations that truly matter to you. And there you have it, folks. New Threads, the app that's changing the game on Instagram, with its Threads feature and an array of other exciting functionalities. It's time to take your Instagram experience to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Download New Threads today and join the revolution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Until next time, happy threading!